Are you looking for a classy and affordable alternative to leather? If so, Nook Indoor Faux Leather has you covered. This animal-friendly material won't break the bank, but it will give your DIY projects that upscale look you're after. Made with smooth 100% phthalate-free PVC fabric and a soft 100% polyester backing, Nook has that supple feel and comes in a wide range of rich colors and a subtle grain texture that closely matches upholstery leather. But Nook isn't built just for looks, it's built to last. This indoor upholstery fabric is highly resistant to abrasion, fire, and it's easy to clean. To top it off, Nook is treated with a protective finish, making it antibacterial and antifungal, perfect for use in various settings. So far, I've used it for purses, bags, and cushions, but you can also use it to spruce up your home decor, reupholster furniture, or bring much needed style and comfort to your RV or vehicles. Whatever the application, Nook Indoor Faux Leather is a perfect choice. It's animal friendly, stylish, durable, and easy to maintain. Want to try before you buy? The Nook Indoor Faux Leather sample book is the best way to experience the softness, texture, and color selection of this luxury upholstery fabric in person. The sample book features a sizable swatch of all 40 Nook colors we stock, so you can decide which one is perfect for your project. To make it easy to get yours, we've linked our selection of Nook Faux Leather and the sample book in the description below. We hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.